Hey guys, so it is time to do another Stitch Fix video. So technically this is supposed to be my August Stitch Fix, but they sent it to me like late July and I'm not gonna fight it. This is my life. Also, Sophie has opinions apparently. Really? Okay, I'm gonna continue now. I know this is why most of you probably watch these videos, is just to listen to my beautiful daughter and to not actually learn about like Stitch Fix or Etsy or like vlogging or anything. So bonus for you that you also get to watch me open a Stitch Fix box. Anyways, for those of you who aren't aware, Stitch Fix is a monthly curated styling subscription service. They pick 5 items for you to try on every month, and if you don't like anything, not a big problem because you can send it back in a prepaid envelope. And I can't keep a straight face. Oh my goodness. Anyways, yeah, and you take a styling quiz with all your preferences and sizes. You can tell them like I'm long-waisted or I'm curvaceous or whatever you want, honestly. And it'll cost you $20 a month for your styling fee, but if you keep anything, that $20 is reimbursed. And something else that actually I decided to join in on the fun, they have something called Style Pass. So instead of paying $20 for a month, I just pay $50 for the whole year. And you get unlimited fixes as much as you want, or I think there's probably like a 2 or 3 week waiting period between them. I don't know, we're gonna discover that. I do like the idea of Style Pass a little bit more than just the normal monthly subscription service because I feel like I'll be less guilty, if that makes sense. I feel like I'll be less likely to keep stuff I just feel meh about because in my brain, I'll be like, well, I need to make sure I get my $20 reimbursed versus if I don't like anything, it's like, well, I just paid $50 for the whole year. It's ultimately probably cheaper in the long run, and it'll allow my stylist to get my sense a little bit more, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We're on this journey together. With that being said, let's dive on in. I do feel a little like 80s today because I know scrunchies are back in style. I just couldn't straighten my hair today. It's too hot. It's Texas. So anyway, the first thing I see is the prepaid mailer they send you for you to send anything back that you don't want to keep. And then the next thing we're gonna look at is the little card they send you with the note from your stylist and your items and how they suggest that you style each item. So this is what that looks like. Now let's read our note from our stylist. Hi Amanda, it's the best day of the week. It's Fix Day. I hope you're doing great and are ready to dive into these options today. I'm so glad to have the opportunity to style you this time around. I see that you're able to find some pieces that you loved in your last fix. I hope these will be just as fabulous for you. I have some more tops and shorts and a pair of sandals for you to try. These Franco Sarto sandals were the strappiest pair I could send you. I know there are much more strappy styles out there, but I wanted to see if you liked these. Try them with the light pink Alexa lace trim knit tank by Mason & Bell and the studio blue distressed denim short. Swap tops and have another cute look with the Romy cold shoulder knit top from Colette. I hope you look and feel beautiful in all of these. XOXO Tim. So this is the second time I have Tim as my stylist. I've been kind of wishy-washy about stylists. This is, I don't know, I'm probably like 5 or 6 months into this. I did not specifically request him. I was just like, surprise me, pick whoever you want to pick for this one. So yeah, and then here's the invoice. I'm not gonna look at the invoice until later because I don't want to use that as a decision maker until at the very end after I've tried everything on. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyways, this is what my bundle looks like, sans the sandals. This is a thing they've been doing. They've been using this like paper instead of the normal tissue paper. I don't really care, excuse me, but it is a observation that a lot of us have been making who do these videos, I've noticed. So we will open this bundle. So the first top I see is like a very dark green. It's stripy. It might not show up quite green. It might show up more black or navy blue in the camera, but believe me, it is green. And I do like a green because my eyes are green and I'll kind of bring that out. And I think it is a cold shoulder, so that's pretty exciting for me. This is a pretty cute top. Man. The next thing I see is a little bit of floral, and I like me some floral. Oh, that's really cute. So it is a tank. It's a little strappy. I can't tell if the strappy's in the back. And then it has a lace bottom. It's nice and light, which I like for summer. What's this thing? It is another floral top because I do like me some floral. And it's nice and light looking. It's more of a strappy tank top. Kind of reminds me of that, what I call the 101 Dalmatians top, except it's in a different print. So that's pretty exciting. And then I see a pair of shorts. They are distressed. They are light blue or maybe borderline gray. It's kind of hard to tell. I do like these. These are just different enough from the other pair of shorts that are this color because those were cute, but they were a little fresh, if you get my drift. They did expose a lot of my thighs, and these are a little bit more conservative, so it's good to mix that up every now and then. And then now we're gonna look at the shoes he sent me that came in a baggie like this. And I've been wanting strappy sandals, but again, I think we discussed this in the last Stitch Fix video. I think those are on the way out. So if I can't get me a strappy sandal, we'll see. I do, ooh, that's kind of metallic-y. I am a sucker for anything metallic. They're gray, which I'm not sure how I feel about, so I think we're just gonna have to try these guys on. So let's go do that. Okay, so this is the green cold shoulder top. It is very cozy. It's a very lightweight. This is something that's really nice for Texas summers. Sorry, this is just personally amusing to me. What I like, a detail right here, is it's actually kind of like twisted, if that makes sense. But I really do like this top. We're just gonna kind of have to see about price points of that, or when it gets down to it. These are the shorts that they sent as well. They fit pretty much perfectly. They are a little bit longer than all the other shorts that they sent. And I do like that they're distressed. When I showed these off to Mike, he's like, the color makes them look like old shorts. It looks like they sent you old shorts. But I don't know, I think they're cute. So honestly, it's gonna be all up to price point at this moment. Anyways, I'm gonna go see what my cat wants, which is probably just attention because she literally is only starting to do this when I'm filmed now. So anyways, let's go try on some other stuff. We had a conversation that she just wants to be in the video. And that's where we're at with that. So now that you're in the video, will you be a good kitty for the rest of the video? Okay. So Sophie really wants to play and is like low-key stalking me throughout the house as I go and I like change and come back. And anyway, so you might hear Mike telling her not to come over. I don't know what's going on. It's just life for me. So anyway, we're gonna talk about this top. I actually really like the style of this top. At first I thought it had a pocky, but I realized, oh no, that's just like the where it goes, like pocky, like a pocket. I'm sorry. I speak in slang, and it's not slang that's popular to anyone. It's slang that's only popular to Mike and I. So it's a pocky or a pocket for those of you who aren't aware what a pocky is. Anyways, so I do like this top, but my thing is, I don't know if the colors really go together. Like, I'm not a huge fan of the combination of these colors together. My biggest issue, I think, is the navy blue background. If it was like a white background, I think it'd be perfect. Or if it was tan or something else. I don't know, I'm just kind of meh about this top. And then these are the same shorts that I already tried on. So here's the last top that they sent. I think this is really cute. It's super lightweight and breezy, which is great for Texas summers. I really like this top. Mike's just whatever, but I don't know, he doesn't have to wear it, so, you know. Anyways, we're gonna go try on the shoes next. So at the risk of putting close-ups of my feet on the internet, I thought this was possibly a more efficient way of showing off these shoes than last time. So I like the shoes. They're not the bottoms are really comfortable. They need a little bit of breaking in, I think, because like they don't the bottom doesn't bend with you when you walk, and I think it's gonna lead to some blisters between my big toe and that like the pointer finger equivalent toe, if that makes sense. I also think my feet are just like very mildly wide, so I think we're still gonna be on the search for the next strappy sandal. Okay, let's go over this invoice and see what the damage is. So the sandals, they say they're gold, but to me they look more silver. Those are $69. Yeah, I think I'm gonna return the sandals, let's be honest. I like them. I've never had a sandal of this style before. They are pretty comfy if you're just sitting in them. I'm just worried about walking in them. Not to mention, I think I might include in feedback that like my feet are just the teensiest bit wide. I feel like they're, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Let's go on to the green cold shoulder top. That is $34. I do think I'm gonna keep that. That is really cute. Let's see, I think it's this top. Yeah, it's this top is $36. The shorts are $38, and then the other top that was like the navy print background with the floral print is $38. So subtotal is $215. But if I buy all of them, you do get a 25% discount. So that subtotal would be $161.25. I do have $49 as a credit because I did, when you buy into the Style Pass, you get that automatically reimbursed with reimbursed with your next order or whatever you decide to keep in your next box. So if I were to keep everything, including that $49 reimbursement, the total would be $112.25. However, what I'm thinking about doing is just keeping, I like this top, I like the green top, and I like the shorts. And if I were to keep those three, that would be around $120, which is actually really annoying. Well, actually, no, it'd be $120 minus $50, so it'd be more around $70. So not awful, not the greatest. I am debating whether or not I want to keep the floral print top with the blue background, but I was just about it. Mike actually really liked it a lot, but I'm just about it. Anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider doing all the things that makes the algorithm happy, such as thumbs upping and sharing and liking and commenting and subscribing and then etc. Anyways, stay safe out there and have a good day, guys.